Alright, I'm back for another low budget meal for the family. And of course I was on Pinterest and this is what I saw. Texas Cowboy stew. I couldn't help myself. So I had a pound of ground beef and I was at the dollar store getting stuff for my arts and craft, and I got me 2 cans of the whole potatoes and also a can of red beans. While I was at the local market, I got some peas and carrots and some meatloaf seasoning. And then I also got from the market, I got 3 boxes of yellow rice, 3 for $5, can't go wrong. And that's gonna be our meal. Let me show you how the food looks now, being that it's finished cooking. Hold on. Woo, that's some hot food right there. Oh, that looks good. So I added the ground beef, kielbasa sausage, turkey, beef or pork, whichever you desire, can of potatoes, kidney bean, peas and carrot, and I seasoned it with my garlic, salt, pepper, and tomato sauce, or you can use some ketchup. Whatever your heart desires. It's low budget. This ain't no high-end meal. And then I had my yellow rice cooking down. So once that's finished, in about 5 minutes, then food will be served. I'll be back to show you what it looks like on my plate. All right. And there you have it. Can't go wrong. And of course, I'm going to finish and wash it down with some yellowtail Pinot Grigio. Hey, don't judge. All right. Y'all enjoy.